Hey there, and welcome to today's video, where I'm going to be showing you some quick and easy hairstyles that you can do in just 5 minutes. If you're someone who's always in a hurry in the mornings, or just don't have the time to spend hours on your hair, then this video is for you. Hairstyle 1, the Messy Bun. The first hairstyle I'm going to show you is the Messy Bun. This is a classic look that's perfect for when you're in a rush. To start, gather your hair into a high ponytail, and then twist it around until it forms a bun. Use bobby pins to secure it in place, and then pull out a few pieces around your face to create a messy, effortless look. Hairstyle 2, the half-up bun. Next up, we have the half-up bun. This is a great hairstyle for when you want to keep your hair out of your face but still have some volume at the crown. Simply take the top half of your hair, and tie it into a ponytail. Then, twist it into a bun and secure it with bobby pins. Leave the rest of your hair down, or add some waves with a curling iron for a more polished look. Hairstyle 3, the low ponytail. If you're looking for a simple, classic hairstyle, then the low ponytail is the way to go. Start by brushing your hair back and gathering it at the nape of your neck. Tie it off with an elastic band, and then wrap a small section of hair around the band to hide it. For some extra flair, add a ribbon or scrunchie to the base of your ponytail. Hairstyle 4, the French twist. For a more sophisticated look, try the French twist. Start by pulling your hair back into a low ponytail, and then twist it upwards, tucking the ends into the base of the ponytail. Secure it with bobby pins, and then use a comb to smooth out any bumps or flyaways. This hairstyle looks especially chic with a pair of statement earrings. Hairstyle 5, the Fishtail Braid. Last but not least, we have the Fishtail Braid. While it may look complicated, this hairstyle is actually quite simple to do. Start by dividing your hair into 2 sections, and then take a small piece of hair from the outside of the left section and cross it over to the right section. Repeat on the other side, and continue alternating until you reach the end of your hair. Tie it off with an elastic band, and then gently pull on the sides of the braid to give it a more relaxed, bohemian vibe. Conclusion. And there you have it, 5 quick and easy hairstyles that you can do in just 5 minutes. Whether you're getting ready for work, school, or just need to get out the door quickly, these hairstyles will have you looking polished and put together in no time. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.